Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. The question says consider the following reactions. First reaction is H plus aqueous react with OH minus aqueous to form H2O liquid. So for this, the enthalpy change is given by minus X1 kilojoule per mole. The second reaction is H2 gas reacts with half O2 gas to form H2O liquid. The enthalpy change for this reaction is minus X2 kilojoule per mole. Third reaction is CO2 gas reacts with H2 gas to form CO gas plus H2O. The enthalpy change for this reaction is minus X3 kilojoule per mole. The fourth reaction is C2H2 gas reacts with 5O2 gas to form 2CO2 gas plus H2O liquid. The enthalpy change for this is X4 kilojoule per mole. We are asked to find the enthalpy of formation of H2O liquid, and the options given are A, B, C and D, where A is plus X3 kilojoule per mole, B is minus X4 kilojoule per mole, option C is plus X1 kilojoule per mole, option D is minus X2 kilojoule per mole. So, पहले इस क्वेश्चन में इन्वॉल्व हुए की कॉन्सेप्ट को समझते हैं. So the key concept involved in this question is using Hess law to determine enthalpy change of formation of water, that is delta HF of water. So this we will be finding using Hess law. So we'll first define what is Hess law. Hess law states that the total enthalpy change for a reaction is the same regardless of the number of steps in which the reaction occurs. That is, टोटल एंथैल्पी चेंज जो है वो हमेशा सेम रहता है किसी भी रिएक्शन का, भले वो रिएक्शन एक स्टेप में हो या मल्टीपल स्टेप्स में हो, बट एंथैल्पी चेंज, टोटल एंथैल्पी चेंज ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर रिएक्शन कभी चेंज नहीं होता. सो द टारगेट रिएक्शन इन दिस क्वेश्चन इज So the target reaction in this question जिसका हमें एंथैल्पी पता करना है, that is formation of H2O liquid. So we'll understand definition of enthalpy of formation. Enthalpy of formation. So it is defined as it is the enthalpy change when 1 mole of a substance or 1 mole of a compound is formed from its elements in their standard states. So this is the definition of enthalpy of formation. So हमें यहाँ पे enthalpy of formation of water पता करना है. So if we see the reaction given in the question, so जहाँ पे भी H2O liquid form हो रहा है, so this is in reaction to H2O liquid is formed, in reaction 1 H2O liquid is formed, and in so only a product formed in these two reactions are H2O liquid. Baki 3 and 4 में there are other product as well, so will not be considered in reaction 3 and 4. We'll be considering reaction 1 and 2. So reaction 1 is H plus aqueous plus OH minus aqueous gives H2O liquid. So यहाँ पे जो delta H है that is minus X1 kilojoule per mole. If we take the second reaction, it is H2 gas plus half O2 gas gives H2O liquid. The enthalpy change for this reaction is minus X2 kilojoule per mole. So if you see, H plus aqueous is not the standard form in which H plus occurs. So standard state में तो H hydrogen will be present in H2 gas only, not in H plus aqueous. Similarly, OH minus is not a standard form, but oxygen gas is present in its standard state. So if H2O liquid has to be formed, it should be formed from the standard states, elements in the standard states, which are H2 gas and O2 gas. So this is the definition of enthalpy of formation. Therefore, we'll be taking only the reaction 2. So based on that, we can clearly say that option D, which is minus X2 kilojoule per mole, corresponds to the enthalpy of formation of H2O liquid. Hope you all have understood. All the best.